Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about one of the unique kind of problem where the Mi11X users are actually facing, which is the phone is getting automatically rebooted. Yes friends, these are the comments which I'm receiving, I think starting from today morning. I did receive several messages regarding the Mi11X device particularly. Yes, I'll try to show you exactly what are the comments I did get on this Mi11X smartphone. As you can see, so phone is restarting automatically. As you can see in the regular interval, that is what I did receive this kind of message after the MIUI 12.5.3 update. As you can see friends, these are the comments which I got on the Mi11X device. Not only these 3 comments, I did receive I think close to 30 to 40 comments only on the Mi11X smartphone. So I thought of making a video and asking you guys, so in case if you have the Mi11X device and if you're using the MIUI 12.5.3 update, let me know in the comment section below how often are you facing this kind of issues in the Mi11X device regarding the rebooting of the device. So phone automatically gets reboot, and the solution for that right now is to do the factory reset. That is what I did see in the online forums. This is not the first time happening in the Mi phone. So previously a lot of Mi phones did face this kind of issue regarding the MIUI update. Sometimes they do have this kind of issues as well. So if you try to do the factory reset, that will give the clear idea. That is what I did read a lot of comments, as you can see, regarding this kind of problems if you are having this kind of rebooting issues. So another way is to wait for the next update to fix this issue. That is another way we can actually wait. But meanwhile, if you're trying to do the factory reset, try to back up all the data, all the images and all the videos. Only then try to do the factory reset of the Mi11X device. Otherwise, don't do it friends. And let me know in the comment section below how many times your phone is getting rebooted in the Mi11X device. So in a day, maybe 5 times or 6 times or 10 times or 2 times, or it's kind of random. So let me know in the comment section below. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick doubt even I was having, how many users are actually facing. All of them are facing, only our few users are actually facing. That's what I'm going to look at the comments as well. And at this moment, sorry friends, I do have only one solution, which is only doing the factory reset of this Mi11X device. Only then you'll be able to make it work properly. But doing factory reset will clear all the data as well. That's another thing you should definitely remember. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And one more thing, this is an issue not only happening with the Mi11X smartphone, even it's happening with the other global variant, which is a Poco F3 as well. Yes, even those users are also actually facing the issues regarding the rebooting. So maybe something to do with the both models. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. I was just thought of informing this one and ending up the video. And see you the next video friends, and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.